na nga. Sino pa bang hinihintay natin dito? Naiinip na ako. Sige na nga, apakan mo ng silinyador ng auto mo. Iwanan na natin ang mundo. Tayo na sa beach, tayo na't mag-swimming. Bilisan mo na, gusto kong mag-sunbathing. Time to relax, time to go slow. Makinig kay paring Bob at sasabihin ito. Sapit ng dilim, lumalamig na ang hangin. Sindihan mo na ang bonfire natin. Time to relax, time to go slow. Maupo ka na lang, panoorin ang mundo. Kalimutan muna natin ang trabaho. Masisira na ang ating ulo. Kailan ka ba naman huling tumambay? Pagtapusin ng walang hanggang paghihintay. Tayo na nga, sino pa bang hinihintay natin dito? Naiinip na ako. Sige na nga, apakan mo ng silinyador ng auto mo. Iwanan na natin ang mundong ito.
Sige pa.
I'm through with standing in line to clubs I'll never get in. It's like the bottom of the ninth and I'm never gonna win this. Life hasn't turned out quite the way I want it to be.
Tell me what you want.
I want a brand new house on an episode of Cribs, and a bathroom I can play baseball in, and a king-size tub big enough for 10 plus me.
So what you need?
I'll need a credit card that's got no limit, and a big black chain with a bedroom in it. Gonna join the Mile High Club at 37,000 feet.
Been done.
I want a new tour bus full of old guitars, my Cause we all just wanna be big rock stars and live in hilltop houses driving 15 cars. The girls come easy and the drugs come cheap. Well, I'll stay skinny cause we just won't eat. And we'll hang out in the coolest bars in the VIP with the movie stars. Every good gold digger's gonna wind up there. Every playboy bunny with the bleached blonde hair. And well, hey, hey, I wanna be a rock star. Hey, hey, I wanna be a rock star. I wanna be great like Elvis without the tassels. Hire 8 bodyguards that love to beat up assholes. Sign a couple autographs so I can eat my meals for free. I'm gonna dress my ass with the latest fashion. Get a front door key to the Playboy Mansion. Gonna date a centerfold that loves to blow my money for me.
So how you gonna do it?
I'm gonna trade this life for fortune and fame. I'd even cut my hair and change my name. Cause we all just
Walang tigil ang gulo sa aking pag-iisip. Mula nang tayo'y nagpasyang maghiwalay, nagpaalam pagkat di tayo bagay. Nakapagtataka kung bakit ganito ang aking kapalaran. Iba ilang ulit ka nang nagpaalam. Bawat paalam ay puno ng iyakan. Nakapagtataka.
Fresh like Dougie, 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 fresh like.
Okay, take a look at my swagger. So on point, feeling sharp as a dagger. When it come to fresh look, homie, I'm a vet. Chain round my neck, make you haters upset. Bad boy like my homeboy Puffy. Skinny jeans on, feeling
Fresh like Dougie.
Game so ugly, but the flow so lovely. God on my side, so you lames can't touch me. Stones in my wrist, make you haters wanna freeze. Feeling so blessed that I just might sneeze. Not Wu-Tang, but I'm all about cream. So you ain't gotta guess why my favorite color green. Man, I got colors like a box of Fruit Loops. Don't know how to jerk, better watch YouTube. You the reject in the middle of the mall. Steez on deck, make your girlfriend pause.
Fresh like Dougie, 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 fresh like